Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Slack Workspace for your team. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Slack website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your team's email address and click Continue. Check your email inbox for open the email and click that Activate Your Workspace link. You will be redirected back to Slack's registration page. Next, you will need to create a workspace name. Enter a descriptive name that reflects your team or organization. Then, set a unique URL for your Slack workspace. This URL will be used for accessing the workspace later. After that, fill in your full name as the administrator. Provide a password to secure your account. Once you have completed these fields, click Create Workspace. Inviting team members is the next step. You can add team members by entering their email addresses. Slack will send them invitations to join your workspace. You can choose to skip this step if you prefer to invite them later. After this, click Done to complete the setup. You will then be taken to your new Slack workspace. Here, you can customize settings and channels as needed. Finally, explore the features Slack offers to enhance team communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.